Hey, suspect's down.
¿No contesta un rato? Hola, buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Te quería reportar, fíjese que aquí en la Figueroa, sobre la Figueroa y exactamente en la 76, hay un hombre moreno armado.
¿Con qué?
Tiene una sudadera gris y unos pantalones como entre blancos con gris, algo así.
¿Está armado con qué, señora?
Tiene una pistola, pero es así larga, no sé exactamente qué tipo de armas, como un rifle. Ajá, como un rifle, algo así.
¿Y dónde está el rifle?
Él lo tenía en la mano.
¿Ahora
Es que
dónde lo
nosotros
tiene?
ahorita se movió así anda en medio de la calle. Lo tenía aquí al lado de frente, así como queriendo apuntar para todos lados.
¿Dónde está la pistola, señora?
Él la tiene en la mano, es que él está así en la calle, es un hombre que anda así en la calle, sobre la Figueroa y 66.
Ok, su nombre y número de teléfono.
Es
¿Todavía lo ve?
yo me metí en mi casa, la verdad es que yo venía de recoger a mis niños y me metí, pues cerré rápido.
¿Él está amenazando a la gente o no? Nada más está caminando.
A la gente afuera, sí. Así es, o sea, sí, aquí trabajan muchachas afuera y ahí estaba así con el arma apuntando para todos lados.
Ok, yo le aviso a los oficiales, gracias.
Bueno.
Bye. 717, it's also ADW suspect there now, Figueroa on 66, suspect is in all black, wearing a gray sweater, white or gray pants, possibly armed with a white rifle pointing at passerby, slip through 2471 Charlie 1249.
Upon arrival to the area, the officers located Williams standing at the front door of an abandoned residence in the 6400 block of South Figueroa Street and attempted to make contact with him. They continued to make repeated attempts to have Williams peacefully surrender by giving him verbal commands. However, he continued not to comply and eventually ascended to the second floor.
Hey, suspect's down.
Got him, Timmy?
Yeah, he just pointed the rifle out the window.
Timmy, you got him?
Yeah.
Southeast unit, social veteran, domestic violence in progress, 1130 East 105th Street, 1130 East 105th Street, taking on information from male subject 13 years at location, mother and father, possible physical dispute, is code 3 incident 5298 and RD 1834 under provisional. 14D3 is requesting a 77th unit to handle incident 4781 at 344 West 84th Place. Incident 4781.
If you don't come out now, we're going to use tactics that could cause injury.
More door.
Okay, just keep your hands up. Good. Just keep walking towards us. Okay, we see you.
The suspect.
Walk down off the steps.
That's the suspect.
Okay, walk to your right. To your right. Good. Keep coming.
I got
Okay,
him.
now stop. Turn and face. face the armored vehicle. Walk towards us. Keep your hands up. Walk towards the armored vehicle.
Come to me.
Okay, on your left
He's
side.
coming this way. Hey, he's coming this way. He's coming. Keep walking to me. Rusty, keep coming.
Okay, good. Left side of the armored vehicle. Left.
Here.
Left
Over here.
Walk between the armored vehicles.
Face this, Look this way. I got shots. I know. Put your hands in here. Put one hand.
Walk between the armored vehicles.
Mario,
Hands up.
Hey, sir. Hey, bring him back. He's not handcuffed. Yeah, he's got to hook him up. Hey, I know. I got him. Behind cover. I got shots. I know. Right here. Look him up. Let's go. We're going to get you medical. Hold on.
We have one suspect in custody. He's suffering from gunshot wound.
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Williams to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wound he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. Williams was treated and subsequently cleared for booking at 77th Street Jail. Investigators recovered a large black plastic tubular object with circular crisscross sections resembling a rifle at scene, and booked it as evidence.